Hello, Assalamualaikum, Mr. Muhammad Fauzan Hanif. I'm sorry. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine today.
All right. My name is Muhammad Aiman Firdaus, and the other six in this call. Yes, is my group member. KAUSAR ZAINUDDIN, AHMAD YASIN, Firdaus Fahmie, uh, AMIN bin MUSRI, and AMIN RAZIN. So I'll be leading our interview today. As I mentioned over my message that I have sent to you, our group are going to do an interview with people in this industry, and we have choose you to be interviewed. With you joining us today has it to fulfill the purpose of our assignment. I'd like to start by thanking for you making the time to speak with us. Your feedback is valuable and will be used to complete our assignment. Just to confirm, we like to keep this interview to 30 to 20 to 30 minutes the duration. Does that still work for you?
Yes, okay, I'm fine.
Okay, great. If you need a break or to stop at any time, please let me know.
Okay,
Um,
sure.
During this interview, we will ask you a few questions around the industry that you are working right now. I like to note that outside that we are pretty new to this, so we will start broad. Please be aware that there are no wrong answer. You are expert here. We doing the interviews like this to hear things from your perception.
Okay.
With your permission, we will like to record this call. The recording will only be used to help us completing our assignment. Recording this call also helped me because I don't have to take as many notes. Is that okay?
Yes, sure.
Great. Finally, do you have any question for me at this time?
No.
All right. Okay. Without further ado, let's start the interview by inviting one of my group members, Firdaus Fahmi, to ask a further question.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir, for tonight. My name is Muhammad Fida Fahmi. My question is, the first one is, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. So first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to be interviewed today. So I will describe myself who is somebody is positive. I am intention in my work. I am hardworking and I am resilient so I can deal with difficult scenario as required. So I also who is focused and always complete my tasks within the time given.
Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you
Okay.
for your answer. For the next question is, can you explain a little bit about your company background?
Okay. So JST Connectors is dedicated to excellence in connection technology as a global manufacturer of high quality sub miniature connectors since 1975. Okay. So JST Connectors also is the number one leading electric and electronics interconnecting devices manufacturer in Malaysia. There are total 4 plants uh, under one company as incorporated in 2005. Is based in Gelang Patah. So there is name N plants, U plants, I plants, and S plants.
Okay, next question. Anyone?
Okay, I will introduce myself first. My name is Mama Amin. So for the next question is, why did you choose to work in this logistic industries?
So I choose logistic because it is one of the most important career sectors in globe. Okay. So according to logistic, there are many aspects of chances for development that help lower level workers to higher level workers, uh, higher level position. Sorry. Also, who is the most inventive person? They can go forward rapidly. So that hence I choose logistic.
Okay, for the next question, what is Mr. Fauzan position in the company that you have worked?
Well, Of course, I was starting with a low position, which is only warehouse operator. So after a few years, I able to improve, and currently my position is supervisor.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, for the next question is, how long have you been working in this company?
Uh, we starting from contract worker until now. I have been here about 7 years.
Okay, that's all for me. Okay, I will pass to the next questioner.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. For the next question is what kind of service that your company serve?
So we have been held a business project that which is sales to get more customer and more sales lah.
Okay, thank you. For the next question, have your company have made a joint or collaboration with others company?
I think there is no other company that collaborate with GST Connectors.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next question.
Okay, sir. So my question is for you. Before
Mm.
that, my name is Muhammad Mirazin. So my first question is, what is the average of employees that need when doing loading and unloading goods?
Okay, at GST there is many departments. So at here under warehouse, we only needed 3% for loading or unloading. So average that we only use 3%.
I see. Okay. So my next question is, do you prefer to work in a team or work independently?
Okay, of course it depends on the task. When it comes to the brainstorming, team produce great ideas with multiple input, and teams can highlight people's strength. But I certainly enjoy working on my tasks as an individual as well, since in many it ways the ability to work alone for the team to fully succeed.
I see. Okay,
Mm.
so my last question from me is, from your point of view, what can you contribute or what have you contributed to your company for all this while?
So mostly I responsible for sourcing all non-trade purchase, order processing, and coordinating with internal and external parties with regards to non-trade purchase.
I see. Okay, that's all for me.
Mm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Fauzan Hanif Basimi. Okay, my name is Muhammad YASIN. So I
Yeah.
want to ask you a few questions. Firstly, can you share with us your experience when you face a problem or conflict and how you overcome with it?
Uh,
You want me to
uh,
repeat the question?
can we hold 5 minutes?
Alright. Okay.
Oh, wow. Sekejap
It's okay. It's okay. Just take your time. It's okay.
Okay. Can we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Amir, can you
Yeah.
repeat the question?
Alright, okay. I will repeat the question. So, can you share with us your experience when you face a problem or conflict at the work and how you overcome with it?
Okay. So when I facing a problem, of course we need more teamwork to overcome the problems. So we have need to brainstorming together with my colleague, and then of course we need a strong decision making, which is always to be my leader or my upper level. So that's 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 the way I want to overcome the problem. Okay, we need the teamwork lah. It's more
So,
teamwork, then we can solve more problem.
okay, so you already answer my next question. That is, what is the lesson that you learned from your problem you face? So thank
No,
you. That's all from me. So we pass to the next question.
okay.
Hello, sir. My name is KAUSAR ZAINUDDIN,
Okay.
and this is my first question.
Hmm.
Mr. Fauzan, can you tell us about your greatest achievement?
Okay. So I think my greatest achievement was during my last job as a supervisor. I mean the current job lah. So I thought there was a room for improvement about controlling stock with low risk of that stock. And I decide to recheck and reduce buffer stock at our warehouse. There also that we able to meet customer requirement too. Okay. Uh, in the end, uh, we also able to identify and separate the stock, then also can maintain stock efficiently within within a month, and that's I think the my greatest achievement.
Okay, thank you, sir. And my second question is, what is the biggest challenge that you face while you're working in your company?
Okay, so my biggest challenge is I was need to replace my executive, which means to overcome my executive job uh, within 1 week. So that's I think the most difficult work lah.
Okay, so this is my last question.
Mm.
Punctuality in the logistic industry is important. Do you agree, sir? If you do, can you tell us the reason?
Okay, so the punctuality, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Yes, I agree with the statement. So in logistic company, the punctuality is always need to achieve, which is if we not achieve that, that that will will incur many costs. So the most important thing in logistic company is cost. If we want to reduce cost or save cost, we need to punctual about anything we we operate. Of course, we need to we need to follow that lah. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'm sorry.
Thank
Sorry
you.
for my.
And so that's all for me. And so we pass to the host.
Okay. 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 Sure.
Host, 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 mute, mute, host, host, mute. Okay.
I think there is a connection problem
Uh,
lah.
I think that's all from me. Thank you, Sir Fauzan, for giving your time and effort for our interview. Forgive if any of us has spoken something that might be uncomfortable. And good night. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry
Yeah.
for any mistake that I made.
Yeah.
Alright, it's
Okay,
okay.
sir. That's all
It's
from me.
okay. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you.
Bye
Okay.
Thank
bye.
you,
See
sir.
Thank
see you
you.
soon.
Yes. Thank you so much.